Up for sale, 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 79 Trans Am, finished in correct heritage brown with camel interior. Numbers matching 403, 350 Trans, and factory Posi rear. I believe it was a 241 axle from the factory. Still has the original tag on it. Power steering, power brakes, T-tops, cruise control, tilt steering wheel, factory order with rallies, and anything else that I do, know about it, I will point out. It also has 2 build sheets, and as always, go around it and point out anything that I see as I go. So of course, we'll start here in the front. I believe it's a little combination of some newer paint, some original paint. The decal shows some light wear, so maybe the hood is original. I know, I'll get to all the sections as I get around it, but anyway, starting here on the front, you see the little Trans Am sticker there. And the front section, paint is really nice. You see, of course, a couple little of those hairlines as you go, very common for the, plastic hair, more than likely original to the car. The fitment all the way down is really nice. It also maintains its original quarters and fenders, which is also very nice. All the floors are original to the car. The trunk pan is original to the car. Inner rockers, outer rockers, all that stuff. So it's an all original sheet metal car. It's 90,000 miles on the odometer. So let me just move a little bit down this way and I'll show you a little bit more here. It is a nicely optioned car. You could have gotten the snowflake wheels on it. They would look cool with the gold, but the correct rallies, which it was ordered with, is a very nice touch, nice attention to detail thing. So let me go ahead and pop the hood real quick. Okay, always 2 hands for that. Here's your 403. Again, numbers matching. Power brakes with front disc. You see the power steering. You see the system for the cruise control. I haven't tested whether it works. It looks like everything's there for it. More than likely, it probably does not, though. Of course, something this old, and who really uses that anymore? The AC, it's all in place. There's no belt on it, and it's a little tight, so, probably needs a compressor. I just replaced the water pump on it. And nice original in here. Very nice looking. You see the little stamping there, as much of the original sticker as you can there. I love, again, seeing the snorkel intact. All very original looking. Nice metal here for your inner fenders, with the crisp stamping that you see right there. Very nice. I love seeing those. And the other one's right there. Also super nice. So I guess keep moving on down the side of the car here. Definitely original paint there on the on that piece. You see a couple little blemishes that have been touched up on the car. I mean, the car is other than them putting a different radio in and a couple of speakers, it's a pretty unmolested car, which is another nice thing that I like about it. I'm a big fan of Trans Ams when they're original, or mostly original in this case. Nice fitment there. You see some light stone chips, some light touch-ups there. Again, probably original paint here, all the way back, where you see a little, that looks like a little bit of buffing compound, but some other little marks that have been touched up. This has been repainted, probably too many stone chips from age, just some light blending. When we got it, it's T-top, I said that as well. When we got it, this section was all faded original paint, a lot of sun damage, so we took it to a body shop, and I'm not gonna lie, he matched it really nice. They did a fantastic job. So now, again, like I said, combination of some original, some new. Now it just blends in with everything, looks really nice. A little more presentable for going down the road. Again, you get the painted black trim here, probably original. So you see some light checking on that. A couple little marks on the windshield, all original glass, no cracks on it, which is nice to see. Go ahead and pop the door open. Nice thing about it, it's gotten new carpet, new dash pad, both new door panels, rear door panels look recent or in excellent condition, and then the headliner is new as well that you see there. So let's start from the top. Always love to see the original paint in here, no paint lines, nothing like that, no repairs down here. The original metal, super nice, but these stickers are always nice to see with the cars. And again, door panel, for like new. That was done not too long ago. The body by Fisher molding down there is new as well. Seats, excellent condition. Carpet, excellent condition because it's new. Zoom out again. Here's your tilt and your, well, just tilt. I want it right there. That's where I want it. Again, dash pad new. It also has power trunk, which you see there. Might have been in the way. There you go. That's what I was talking about, the little upgraded Pioneer radio. Put a couple speakers there, a couple gauges there. Those are quality assurance. The speakers, about the only thing that's taken away from originality. The stainless dash, original. Very nice condition. Shows light wear. And the steering wheel, probably original again. A little bit of mark, like that common foam cracking. Nice condition though. Show you the back seat here. Flip the seat forward. Again, they didn't just do the seat covers, like your seat backs are nice. You can see how recent that is by looking in there at the cleanliness. Back seats are original and mint. Here you see they're like it was never satin. I didn't mention the running and the driving. You'll hear the running and you'll hear the running and you'll see the driving. Runs super smooth. Very, very nice. Again, like I said, original. The trunk pan I know is original. Trunk lid is original. But anyway, moving on here. A couple little marks, a couple touch-ups, probably some stone chips there. This was repainted again, probably, some sun damage or some more cracking, so it blends in with the car. Like I said, combination of some recent and some original, which also blends in pretty nice with the rest of the car. I believe that this might be original too. These Pontiac logos look like they've been here a while, which is cool to see. A little, like I said, combination of some new, some original. And just on here again, probably original paint, some light markings, maybe laying things on there from over time. So let me go ahead and get in here. They're your T-top sleeves, which is always nice to see with the car. In addition, I have 2 build sheets for the car. And as you see there, on both of them, of course, we'll do this one, a little easier to read. Lots of options. It was a 241 Posi axle. We could do some of the important stuff. It was camel tan interior with the gold graphics. I know it was a heritage brown car, of course, you see that. 403, 4-barrel, automatic, tilt, rally wheels, air conditioning, bucket seats, of course. Could you get a bench seat? I don't think so. Power brakes with front disc, cruise control. I know T-tops around there. I think they call it the hatch roof. And I guess anything else that I mentioned, or I missed, option-wise, was sold new in Iowa. And it's 90,000 miles, just over that. Nice example as well. I'll show you this. Original, nice to see. Here's the system for the power, which is cool. There's your original quarters in there. And nice weather stripping in there. You see a little marking there for the original quarter and there for the original quarter. Your little factory markings that you see in there on these kind of cars, which I always think are pretty cool, is how things changed over time, how they did things. Stamping on the original trunk lid, which probably the original jacking instructions. Cool to see. Always, always, always. Carrying on. Again, probably original. Cool to see. And then just right here, it's kind of funny actually. Must have been heavy gravel road. Bunch of touch-ups on this side there. You probably see them. They all blend in super nice, but you see just little ones here and there and there and there. Sorry. Little indent right on that lip. Quarters are very straight though. I like to see that. And again, here you can see how nice the paint works into the original paint there. I also like the door edge guards. And you can see, you know, some other little blemishes on the car, a little indent right there. Some other minute stuff. So again, probably original paint. Some more stone chips down on the lower there. Common, of course. Doors don't sag. Super nice door corners there. Love to see that. Again, new door panel. New molding. And the other bucket seat, which is new. There's your console. Oh, a couple chips on the console, very common on these cars. I like seeing them without it, but the majority of them have it when the console is original. So, we are getting to that point now where I'm going to wrap it up. Fire it up, show you a drive. She is very smooth and very quiet, very enjoyable to drive. 79 Trans Am, finished in correct heritage brown with Camel interior. Numbers matching 403. Turbo 350 trans, 241 Posi rear with the tag on it. It's a Rally 2 wheel car. Power steering, power front disc brakes, T-tops, cruise control, tilt, AC, even though it doesn't work, still there when it came with it. And then some other, you know, little faint baby little stone chips down on the lower there, and a couple higher up touch-ups there. 90,000. It's believed to be, definitely, you know, makes sense by looking at it. Original miles. A couple little other touch-ups there, and then this is probably original as well. Nice fitment to the nose too. Again, something you don't always see on these cars when they're taken apart. And I don't know if I mentioned we just redid the water pump on it, so that's new. So thank you. And here's the original underhood. And thank you. And we'll fire it up now.